Target. Wooddale. Not a soul. Never seen nothing like it. They should have had a Blizard sale. I'm the only person in the entire store. People are such wusses. I came here for toothpicks. Just kidding. Not a soul. It's almost eerie. I hope I don't go out and there's a bunch of living dead that want to eat me. Okay, well. Why'd I get coffee and stuff? Chips for the kids.
Hey!
Hey, a person inside a Target.
Well, look, what are you, crazy coming out on this? Yeah, you are. Dead.
See you later. This is just too eerie. I just want to do a little more. Just because of one little itsy bitsy blizzard.
Are you filming?
Yeah, there's nobody in the store. What?